How to apply for Milestone Credit Card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can apply for Milestone Credit Card. The first step is to open up any web browser and head over to milestonegoldcard.com. Once you are on this web page, if you want to apply for the Milestone Credit Card, tap on the Apply Now option. But before you apply, you want to make sure that this credit card is the best one for you. To find out, you can simply compare the benefits of the credit card. Once you are sure that you want this credit card, tap on the Apply Now option. On this page, you will have to enter some information. So go ahead and enter your name and address. Now enter your email address. Then enter your phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, enter your date of birth, social security number. Then you want to enter your total monthly income. Then enter your total monthly expense. Once that is done, you want to scroll down and go through all of these terms and conditions. If you accept, you want to tap on the Accept option. After tapping on the Accept option, tap on the Submit Application option. Once your application has been submitted, Milestone will review your application. And if you are eligible, you're going to get the Milestone credit card approved. Upon the approval, you will receive your new Milestone credit card within 14 business days. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.